welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I am at the famous Baga beach. So I will be showing you as to what is the nightlife like. At this point in time there's so much of a buzz right around me and there's so much of a crowd, so I thought I'd probably make a video and show you as to how does it look like. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and do give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So let's go. So this is right at the entrance of Baga. So that is the entrance and that is where BRITTO'S lane is. And this is the Baga Resto Bar. It's absolutely lit and happening. There's so much of a crowd. Wow. Since it's dark and you can't actually see, but let me tell you, this place is packed. You have thousands and thousands of tourists actually on this beach right here. Wow, check out this place with these umbrellas. So pretty, so pretty. So lovely. So each of these beach shacks have different musics and you're actually spoiled for choice here. You know, if you're someone who likes Hindi kind of music or English or the romantic kinds, this place has everything to offer. How cool is this? So many kids around, so many families around, and that's what I love about Baga. I mean, it's just not for, you know, couples or the young crowd. It's for everyone. So beautiful. Wow, this is so amazing. This is beautiful, guys. And they have a live seafood barbecue kind of a counter there, so let's go check that out as well. Wow. So they have lettuce and parsley, tomatoes, onions. This is so cool. So you have the chef here. And then you have some squid and tiger prawns and regular prawns. Wow, so this. Yeah, यहाँ से है कि यहाँ से? Okay. So this is at Las Olas. So if all you guys come here, then they have a lovely, lovely counter. So let me just go and check out what's happening on the grill. Oh wow, how cool is this? So they have a white pomfret on the grill. Ooh. So amazing. And especially when you get to eat such food by the beach, I think that's a winner. And this, wow, they have a nice boat. This is actually new because I think when I came here, maybe before the pandemic, this wasn't here. So cool, so cool. I think I'll probably come here the next week personally. How cool is this place? Let me just show you the vibe around. And the next shack here is called Peace Pearl, I think. So they have this cozy kind of a romantic setup. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. I've made a video 2 weeks back about, you know, Baga and what's happening, but from 2 weeks from now, there's so much of a changes. I mean, this is insane. And I'm so happy, you know, to actually see things getting back to normal. Wow, this looks so lovely. I am in love with these. Look at these umbrellas. So pretty. Wow. The famous BRITTO'S, and then you have the St. Anthony's Shack. So I've made a video about, you know, the lunch at BRITTO'S and the food that you should be ordering and things like that. So if you haven't checked out that video, please go check it out. It's in the description link as well. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making this video for you. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoy watching my content, because I do create videos and release them every other day. So I hope that, you know, you stay tuned, and you know, that you would subscribe to my channel and help me grow as well. So until the next video, see you and bye for now. Stay home and stay safe.